How to view Google search history on your Android phone. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you view Google search history on your Android phone. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you will have to open the Google app on your device. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Google app with your logged in account, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you will go to options like search history, so simply tap on it. And now from here in the search history section you will be able to find every Google search history on your Android phone. So from here you can find every search history from your Google accounts. So you can also delete and review the Google search history on your Android phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method to view your Google search history on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.